One day, Piko was exploring the forest when he found a tiny volcano with the hiccups. Hic! Hic! Smoke puffed out like popcorn. Curious, Piko tickled the volcano with a feather. Suddenly, achoo! The volcano sneezed out. Giant colorful bubbles that floated everywhere. Instead of lava, the bubbles popped into silly things. One became a bouncing ball. Another turned into a hat that landed on Piko's head. All the animals played with the volcano's sneezy surprises, laughing together until sunset. Even a volcano can be funny when it sneezes. What will it sneeze out next? Subscribe and like now, don't miss the fun.